If you need to request a refund from Spotify due to an unwanted payment, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that was charged. Step 2. Navigate to the Help section. Once logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Help link. This will direct you to Spotify's support resources. Step 3. Select Billing. In the Help section, look for the Billing category. Click on it to find information related to payments, subscriptions, and refunds. Step 4. Find refund information. Within the Billing section, search for the topic related to refunds. Spotify provides guidelines on their refund policy and the steps to request a refund. Step 5. Submit a refund request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your refund request. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Spotify's customer support for further assistance.